Looking to bring warmth into any chilly space? The ceramic heater with adjustable thermostat from Lasko makes it easy. Providing 1,500 watts of comforting heat, this lightweight space heater is easy to carry from room to room and can be placed on the floor or tabletop surfaces. It has 3 quiet settings, including high and low heat or fan only, plus an adjustable thermostat for customizing your comfort level. Safety features include overheat protection and a cool touch exterior. Whether you need warmth at your desk, living room, kitchen, or bedroom, the ceramic heater with adjustable thermostat from Lasko makes any room more comfortable.
The Lasko remote control ceramic heater with digital display keeps you comfortable in any climate. With a multifunction remote control, digital readout, and a programmable thermostat, this heater is versatile enough for most rooms and can be easily transported with the built-in carry handle. This Lasko 1,500 watt tower heater is equipped with widespread oscillation and an 8-hour timer for an easy-to-use experience every time.